Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. We got inventory disposal notice, 3 days only, Friday, February 7th through the 9th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbos to deals. Yeah, we got another sale that they have, another disposal. You know, they always have those disposal sales. We do have a free item here and a 20% off coupon. So let's look over this. 20% off. This is valid through February 9th, 2020. So this is just going to be your standard 20% off. And then, yeah, we got a free item here. Usually we don't get these items for free. So if you're going to Harbor Freight, please pick this up if you want something like this, because this is a chance, because they don't have these anymore like they used to. Before, I used to make videos of free coupons, and they used to have these all the time. They even had the 6-inch magnet parts holder, which is nice. I don't know if you guys got it. I do have a few, left over, but yeah, it was just it was a really nice magnet. It was a 6-inch, the bigger one, but this is still a nice little one. You can get a couple of these and put them in the working area where you're going to be working, and you can fill them up with screws in the under the hood or stuff like that. Anyways, you got 3 days. You got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so you can pick your go pretty much every day for those 3 days. So you get a total of 3. Okay, we got 6,500 watt starting gas power generator for $49.99. You got 26 by 22 single band. Yeah, a little pricey on that. Usually wait for parking lot sales. We get better deals on that. Yeah, we seen this much lower than this. We seen this for 69 bucks. A little high on price. Still a great item. If you guys haven't seen my videos, I did put a foam cannon on this. I don't know if you guys know what a foam cannon is. Foam cannon is not whatever's included, because they include some sort of foam or soap, soap, foam or whatever with this item. But yeah, the foam cannon, it's a real foam cannon. What you do is you connect it with the some Ryobi parts, and you can connect a real foam cannon to this, and it'll foam your whole car. It'll paint your whole car with foam white. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, just put Portland pressure washer upgrade, and you will see that video there. Also, these get clogged up here on the tip, and that's the whole reason why these don't work. But it's over time, so it's not gonna happen when it's brand new. It's gonna happen when, to every single, like to all these, not just to this one, to any brand, to any, it'll get clogged up over time, with the minerals and all that stuff in there. So it's normal, and I do have another video how to unplug it and how does that work. 20 volt lithium cordless 1/4 hex impact driver kit, $59.99. Great for the DIY. Heavier do it DIY. You guys do a lot of projects at home. 2,500 electric winch. This is great for the ATV. Heavy 3-ton low profile steel floor jack, $99.99. It's a great item. I do have the Daytona version. I love it. 12-inch tool bag. Let's see here. This is great. Definitely recommend that for you guys. I believe we've seen this cheaper on the parking lot sales. All right, this is the heavy duty batteries, triple. Yeah, I would stay away from these, guys. I did have a couple of batteries leaked on me. I do have an Amazon Fire Stick, and it didn't work, so I took the back cover off, and my hands were just filled with acid or whatever that chemical it has inside. And what I did is I took it out, clean it out, wash my hands obviously, and then next pop some fresh batteries in there, and guess what? In 2 weeks I had the same issue, so I ended up throwing the whole package away. And guys, just stay away from that. These buy the blue ones, buy the orange ones, don't buy the yellow ones. They suck. Something I want to get, definitely a great item here, guys. If you guys want to use any of these coupons, feel free to use them. Take a screenshot, take a picture on the computer. Feel free to just write the code down, but make sure you have that picture so you can show the cashier what the coupon is, especially on that free item on the top, this one. Make sure you write down that coupon. Same thing with this, and you can use that coupon. This is 39, always been 39. This is a great blower there. The only thing, you have to carry that extension cord around. These are great gloves, guys. Definitely recommend these gloves for the oil changes, your DIY, even for the professional. If you're a professional mechanic, I would recommend this or the 9mm. This used to be a free item. Me personally, I like to pick up the what is it, the bigger pack, the one that's like under $9. And usually when there's a 30% off coupon, I usually pick up that big package and pick it up for like $6 or $7. So definitely recommend. Not these. These are okay, but it's only a pack of 4, and these are smaller ones. These are 12 by 12. The ones that I'm talking to you are the 16s by 16s, the bigger ones. You get a 300-pound capacity, ATV lawn mower lift, $74.99. Got dust collector, 70-gallon, $179.99. A lot of people like this. I don't really like it because it's big and it's bulky. I'm pretty soon I will be making my own dust collecting. But for now, I'm using a Shop Vac. Harbor Freight does sell the newer Shop Vacs, the Bauer vacuums. So just if you're gonna have a vacuum for dust collecting, I would recommend at least getting a 5 horsepower or more, 5 to 6 horsepower. This is great for the DIY. Only a really basic drill. I would not recommend this for heavy DIY or more frequent projects. This is really basic drill there. This is great, guys, especially for $14.99. We've seen this lower, but still at $14.99, I do have this. This thing's great. It performs. There's a lot of videos out there testing it to the SnapOn. It's a great brake bar. This is a great tool. I do have the one that's 21 degree. The only thing, you have to put a little bit of pressure. You have to push it down when you're going to put that nail in, and you have to just put a little pressure and just pull the trigger, and it'll go all the way in. I would not recommend this brand for professional use. If you're going to be going professional, go with the Pierce or the other brands from Harbor Freight. They're good. But this is mostly for the DIY or for somebody that is just going to do one project here and there. It does work. It puts the nails in all the way in if you put enough pressure in there. Let's see here. Retractable Reel. I haven't used this personally. There's a lot of mixed reviews, good and bad. So just I do have this. Works really good. It's super bright. The only thing, the battery doesn't last as long. I would, if you're gonna keep it, if you wanna keep it as long as you can, put it on low. It'll last long on low. Let's see here. I'll see if I can link above the video. If not, just look at the 1250 lumen rechargeable work lights up here on the search section of YouTube, and put my 200-147. You'll see that video. Alright, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys on the next one.